А вот она еще одна, пацаны.
The day is getting better and better. Russian Su-34 crashed in North Ossetia due to a technical malfunction. The crew was killed. Third Russian jet in 3 days, and for this one, Ukraine didn't have to lift a finger. The armed forces also shot down a Russian Su-25 fighter jet in the direction of Pokrovsky, according to the General Staff's night report. In Shebekino, Belgorod Oblast, 3 Russian territorial defense fighters and an employee of the Rossiya 24 state TV channel were blown up by a mine, as Belgorod Governor Vyacheslav Gladkov said. The TV channel operator and 1 man were hospitalized. Russian Air Force affiliated channel Fighter Bomber makes the story about the damaged SU-57 even better. Not 1 but 2 Su-57 were damaged. In order not to get up twice, I will say that 2 Su-57s were damaged. The second Su-57 received minor damage, which will be repaired on the spot. A Russian telegram channel blamed Kadyrov for deaths of over 20 Russian soldiers after his post of Akhmat Chechnya taking Ukrainian Rizhivka, which they didn't actually do, Ukrainian authorities confirmed. According to the telegram channel, after Kadyrov's post, Ukrainian defenders hit that group of soldiers. Here is the telegram post. Ramzan Kadyrov was blamed for the deaths of more than 20 Russian soldiers in the Kursk region. Ramzan Kadyrov, having announced the liberation of Rizhivka village near Kursk region, has put our military in danger. There are losses. Sources in the General Staff told us about that. It's not the first time we have entered Rizhivka. Our scouts go there all the time. But this idiot decided to boast about hell knows what. As a result, the enemy hit a group of soldiers near the border in the Kursk region. We have 21 dead, one of them said. According to another, the military are going to appeal personally to Vladimir Putin with a call to punish Kadyrov for the deaths of their comrades and for the lawlessness that his Chechens are committing without bringing any benefit to the front. Ramzan Akhmatovich's entourage responded to these claims with the words, "They can't fight themselves, so they are jealous. Shaitans." Russian state propaganda in Belgorod. What has happened here?
Одну последнюю заметил сапер уже в нашем присутствии. Эти помы ВСУ срабатывают на движение, на сейсмику. Взрыв происходит за несколько метров от снаряда.
А вот она еще одна, пацаны.
Это кадры, которые снимал оператор нашей группы Ярослав Борисов. Он стоял чуть впереди меня и принял основной удар вместе с сапером. Осколки попали под защиту в живот, в шею, в руку, ноги. На месте оказали помощь.
A huge fire engulfed a furniture workshop in Samara, Russia. Local residents reported that the reason for the fire was a drone, but there has been no official confirmation yet. Samara is over 1,000 kilometers from the Ukrainian border. Beautiful top-down footage of Ukrainian helicopters launching missiles towards the enemy. Footage from the 47th Brigade Strike Drone Company. Yet another Blyat-Barn tank destroyed by units of the 46th Brigade. Solid 9 out of 10 explosion. Russian amputees wiping their feet on the rug with portraits of Biden and Zelensky. They're never going back to the lucrative job that pays a handsome $1,700 a month.
Дежурка. Пидор, блин. Сука. Они сейчас вдвоем, да, мой и твой портрет, бля.
Russian liberation, 21st century, Chase of Yar. Arrival of a Ukrainian shell into a Russian trucks. Everything burned down completely.
В середину прям прилетел снаряд. Пацаны сказали, там дырка в фуре. Все вещи, все полностью сгорело. Продовольствие, все. Ящик с медикаментами.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.